So this is the 87 350D, and we have a shifting issue, which is the secondary clutch pack and the transmission is stuck. So I'm going to shift it into first, neutral. Okay, the jump is fine, but let's see how I'm going to get this. When I pull all the way up, go back to neutral. First gear, I'm going to hold the brake. My foot is all the way up. Should be engaging the clutch. It's not though. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put it in gear, hold up on the shifter to have the clutch, secondary clutch pack disengaged, free, and try to bump it and see if we can break that clutch pack loose without having to open this case up and manually turning and separating the clutch pack. So let's see if this works. Now before we start yanking on this post, I did make sure my clutch was an adjustment. What you want to do is, see it says decrease, increase. That's the play in your shifter on the other side. You're going to go all the way till you feel resistance and then come back about, I like about an eighth to a quarter. You really don't want any, you want a very, very small, about a free play in your foot shifter, because the second it starts pushing down, you're engaging the gear while also decompressing your secondary clutch. Very important to do. Mine was actually in perfect adjustment, maybe just a hair out. That's your black plastic cap that covers the nut. You're gonna need a flathead and a 14 millimeter. This is the trick I like to use when tightening these, and this goes for any bike. That way you can hold your flathead in position and tighten it. So, let's see how this feels now. And you can feel it just a little bit, and that's what I wanted. All right, we're gonna yank on this. I can't hold the phone while I do it, and pray that it breaks that secondary clutch free. All right, I think we got it. Go back to neutral. I am going to, let's see. We're on the post. Now I'm gonna pull up on the shifter. Clutch a little bit. There we go. Second gear, top of second gear. Engage the clutch. And we got it. Let's go for a test ride down the street. We got it figured out, boys. First gear, all the way up in neutral. So it still wants to catch a little bit. Let it out now. Okay. Back in neutral. Put all the way up. Pretty much need to get this wear pattern off this clutch pack. Let it out. Okay. Engage. All right, now we're moving. I'm holding the shifter up. Let it out.